guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are gonna do some fun things. It is a high carb day, so I figured I would show you what I eat today. Because do you like carbs? I love carbs. Today's gonna be a good day, and it's leg day. And I'm getting my hair cut because I'm the type of person who waits like 8,000 years to cut their hair, and then you end up with this horse mane on your head, and then it's too late. No, but for real, today's gonna be a great day. If you're new here, my name is Lynsee. Welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. Right now I'm just getting ready. My son is eating his breakfast, and I don't have any makeup on, so I'm sorry you have to look at this, but I'm actually about to hit the gym. This is what I do on Tuesdays, because Tuesdays, high carb day, leg day, and then I'm gonna take a Muay Thai class as well. I just like to do that for my cardio. All right, so let's get this day started. Meal is gonna be 4 egg whites, some oats, and then I'm adding some cauliflower to add more volume to my oats. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I make my oats. I added some cauliflower in there. You can see how much volume it added to my oats. And then I'm going to add in my PB2. Let's see, we need about 12 grams of that. I'm gonna add my sweetener. I like a ton of cinnamon on my oats. That might have been too much. And then we just mix it all in. And it's thick and yummy and sweet. So good. And here's my egg whites. I just added some sriracha, this minced onion, and Southwest Chipotle, Mrs. Dash. So I'm gonna go rub on this because I'm starving and check some emails. Alright, so I just want to show you guys my haircut. She took off like 3 inches because my hair was down to my booty when I went there. And I had a lot of dead hair. She took it off. My hair feels so much lighter. And I got layers done just around my face. It feels so much better. I went legit way too long without getting my hair cut. I'm just not one of those girls that can like go every month. And I don't know. But I get it cut. I feel like a new woman. Does that happen to any of y'all? Like whenever you go get a haircut, you just feel like a new person? I wanted to give you guys an update on my body progress. So I started to cut about a month ago. I weigh myself every Monday, and so like the first week I lost about 2 pounds, and then ever since then I've been losing about 1 pound a week, I think. When I started, I weighed I was borderline like 150, 149, 150, and right now I'm at 144. So I've been losing 1 pound a week, roughly. I've been feeling amazing. My body is tighter. I've been noticing that I don't feel as squishy. And you can see that I'm tightening up in areas. My arms aren't as flabby, and either is my back. So I'm really liking this plan right now. Something else that I've been doing is eating my first meal later in the day. So I pretty much fast until like 1. And that's when I start my first meal. My last meal is usually like 9:30-ish, 10, depending on the day. But yeah, that's been working for me. Intermittent fasting and carb cycling together. Okay, so this is meal number 2. I have a bunch of cauliflower rice as the base. This Morningstar Chipotle black bean crumbles. I love this stuff. If you are trying to like switch to plant-based, or you just want to decrease the amount of meat that you're eating in your diet or whatever, these are really good. Chipotle black bean crumbles by Morningstar. And then I also put some black beans, corn, and tomatoes. This is gonna be meal number 2. Obviously I'm gonna throw on some sriracha because yes. Alright, I am going to make this. It's kind of like a protein cookie dough, but I want to refrigerate it for a little bit, so I'm making it now. All you need for this is some protein powder of your choice. I'm using the Vega Vanilla Clean Protein, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, coconut flour, powdered peanut butter, like PB2, or you can usually find like any brand in your grocery store. I'm also using the vanilla butter and nut flavored extract and some dark chocolate chips. These are by Enjoy Life. They are dairy nut and soy free, so I don't know. I've been using these lately. 35 grams of protein. You know what I forgot? Pumpkin. We need pumpkin also because pumpkin is like in, you can put this in everything. I like to put it in with all of my sweet stuff I make or bake. So I'm doing 30 grams of pumpkin. This is gonna help bind it and keep all of the protein. You know how like protein can get dry? That is gonna really help it moisten up. And we're using 15 grams of coconut flour. So I personally like using a scale so much better because you don't have to worry about like using measuring cups, washing them constantly. Just pour everything into the bowl, girl. Powdered peanut butter, we are using 12 grams of that. A third a cup of this. I usually just do like a capful or half capful of the extract. Now I'm gonna do half a tablespoon of the chocolate chips, which is like 8 grams. Alright guys, this is my next meal. I'm just having some salmon that I made last night and these sweet potatoes that I just baked. I am pairing that protein cookie dough that I made with some Honeycrisp apples. I have like 150 grams here. I'm so excited to try this. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my god, these two together, so good. This is perfect if you ever have like a late night sweet tooth like me, with like the soft dip, crunchy apple. Oh my god. Alright, so these have been pretty much getting me through this cut.
These are by Enlightened. If you've never tried them before, I highly suggest them. It is 100 calories per serving. The macros are pretty good on this. 3 grams of fat, 18 grams of carb, and 7 grams of protein per serving. So this is actually like my favorite one, but I'm almost out of this one. So I kind of mixed this one and the chocolate chip cookie dough with a little bit of this peanut butter. This is one of my favorite peanut butter brands. And I made my cookies that I make out of bananas and oats. So this is gonna be my final meal for the night, kind of like my sweet treat, dessert. Y'all know I love to end the night with a dessert.
Alright, so that is it for my day of eating. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.